Welcome to today's video. Ever heard of a tool that can generate tasks, complete them, and improve its performance all on its own? Let me introduce you to AutoGPT, the next evolution in AI automation. AutoGPT is a cutting-edge AI that goes beyond simple text generation. It's built on OpenAI's GPT architecture but takes automation to a whole new level. Imagine an AI agent that thinks, plans, and acts to achieve your goals without needing constant input. AutoGPT can self-correct and improve through feedback loops. So how does it actually work? You provide an initial goal or task, and AutoGPT breaks it down into smaller steps. From there, it executes these tasks autonomously. It also reviews its own performance, adjusts strategies, and completes the job without needing supervision. It's like hiring a virtual assistant that never sleeps. AutoGPT has endless applications. It can automate tasks like generating content, writing code, conducting research, and even managing projects. Businesses can leverage it for data analysis, marketing automation, and much more. Of course, AutoGPT isn't perfect. It still faces challenges such as handling complex tasks that require deep knowledge or creativity. And while it's incredibly powerful, it requires careful setup and proper goal definition to avoid mistakes. As AutoGPT continues to develop, we can expect it to become more accurate, efficient, and widely adopted. It might soon become a standard tool in businesses, streamlining operations and freeing up time for more creative work. That's a brief introduction to AutoGPT. If you want to stay updated on the latest AI advancements, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments what tasks you'd like AutoGPT to automate for you.